Have you ever felt like life broke you into pieces and you didn't know how to put yourself back together? We all carry wounds, some visible, most hidden. The kind of wounds that make getting out of bed feel like a victory. But here's the truth. You don't have to be whole to move forward. You just have to keep walking. Maybe you're walking with a heart that's shattered, dreams that feel distant, or pain that nobody sees. But every step you take, no matter how slow, is a step away from the darkness and a step toward healing. Broken does not mean defeated. It means you're surviving. It means you're strong enough to keep going even when everything inside you says stop. Every scar tells a story of a battle fought, and every time you choose to walk, despite the pain, you rewrite your story, not as a victim, but as a warrior. You might feel broken right now. That's okay. You are not alone. I see you. I believe in your fight. And I promise, there is light ahead, even if all you see is darkness today. If this message touched your heart, leave a comment below. Tell me how you're feeling. What are you walking through right now? Let's make this space a place of healing, hope, and honest connection. You're not walking alone. We're walking together.